Hi. Trailer washed. Drivers must watch the security post and check it. Will eat my butthole. Alright, I'll be right back. Don't miss me too much. Holy shit. I'll see that big ass horsefly? That thing scared the hell out of me. Let's see how crowded we are here. I feel like people think I'm like insulting them when I have a camera on my head. Like when they're in my video or whatever. I try not to like leave people in, you know what I mean? Because I know some people get uncomfortable about that. So I try to take people out as best as I can. I don't know if I'm not trying that one, but And as for earlier trying to back into that spot over there when I dropped that empty, I don't know what it is about this place. There's just certain places I know I'm gonna struggle backing, and this is one of them. I don't know why. Some places I just can't back to save my life, and usually Tyson's are the ones. And it's weird though, because like when I gotta back in between two trailers, it's so hard for me. But when there's a truck attached to them, like at the back between two trucks, it's totally fine. I don't understand why. But not that you guys give a flying shit. Our trailer number is 469. See how far back. We probably put this thing at the very last spot. Here's another MASH trailer, but it's not the one I want. 471, real close. I see it. I'm gonna play that my backing music right now. Looks like they dropped this trailer a little too high. Drop the trailer down just a little bit. I'm gonna wreck that. Terrible job, Anderson, terrible job. Call yourself a truck driver. You can't back a truck under a trailer. Backwards, asshole, come on. Oh, come on, Jackson! Move! Hi. They didn't wave back. It's basically your airlines to the truck. Bam. Then once I get that in, I just do a quick walk around. Sure all my lights are working. These tires look a whole lot better than the ones I've been using. They're still a little beat, but they look a lot better. Check back here. Got my lights, hazards are working, so at least I know. And then I gotta go fill out that paper that they gave me. Was that totally cool or what, guys? Subscribe down below. And then you bounce out with that. And now you have a nice new trailer. Not to keep, obvious. So most scales that you would see, like if you ever see those big yellow signs that say cat scale, so those measure your steers, your drive tires, and your trailer axles. So your front tires, your back tires on the truck, and then the trailer tires. How these ones are, they measure per axle. So first you gotta drive a little bit on the scale to measure the front of your truck. Write that number down. So say it's like, you know, obviously not 500 pounds, but say it's 500 pounds. Then you drive the drive tires on, which are your back four wheels, onto the scale. It'll give you another number. You write that number down, say it's 500 again. So now you got 1,000 pounds from your steers and your drives. And then you take your trailer tires and you put them on, take that number, add all three of those numbers together, and you got your gross weight, or somewhere around it. Sorry, Aiden, I'm busy. I'm gonna call him back, I just gotta do this real quick. So here in a minute, I'm gonna show you guys how we weigh our loads, how we scale them, basically seeing how much we weigh. Because right now, the paper says that the trailer's got about 42,000 gross weight, which means the total weight. So we're gonna go to a cat scale, just down the street here. And I like that the cat scales show you the gross weight and the weight on each axle. So you can only have 34,000 pounds on the trailer axles, 34,000 on the drive tires, which are the back four. Anything over 34, you have to adjust the trailer. This is where it gets a little whack sometimes. So I kind of have to slide the tandems. I had to find the sweet spot where the weight is evenly distributed under 34,000 pounds on each axle, if that makes any logical sense to anybody listening. If not, it's okay. It took me like 2 months to understand. So going in here to McClure. So Catskill location, McClure store, boom. That's where I'm at, confirm. Tractor number, so you enter in all your information, 396. It's a whopping $15 almost to do this. Let your truck sit a minute. So that way because you can feel, I mean you can't feel it obviously because you're through the phone. You can't feel the truck shaking. It's moving back and forth right now because it's on a big old scale. It'll start the weigh request, it'll connect to the machinery here, blah, 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 blah. Then after like 35 years, maybe like 36,000 years maybe. Steer axles, fine. 30,000 on the drives, 33 on the trailer. We're perfect. We're under that 34 mark, we're just fine. You don't want to be, so if your gross weight is over 80,000 pounds, you are driving illegally, pretty much. Maybe they have a reason for it. I mean, I can kind of understand. You know, 80,000 pounds hauling ass down the road is kind of whack. It's kind of wild. Usually if you don't have the app and you just do it on the phone, you'll talk to the lady through the machine and they'll be like, meh, 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 meh. And then you got to go inside and get the ticket. But if we did it on the app, I can view the PDF, screenshot it. It's got the receipt basically on it. And then I will submit this to my company and they will reimburse me the $14.75. And that's how you do it. So now I'm not gonna be freaking out when I see an open scale, and it just makes your life easier. Finally arrived at the drop location. I'm just dropping this trailer. I don't think I'm taking an empty bag with me, but I don't know. I'm about to find out here in a minute. This place is definitely not the spot to have my camera out recording people, so I will get you back in a minute. I can't begin to tell you how excited I am to take a shower tonight. I've only been here like twice. Last time I was here was when it was cold still, and I got stuck, and boy, I was fuming. Alright, so I failed miserably earlier trying to get a damn spot, so let's see if I can do it this time. far enough. Need to maneuver. And that's all I got. Take this bag, drop it, and be done for the day.